G'day everyone, it's Bo from Growthwise. Now this video today is just going to be a really simple one, and I'm just going to show you some different areas of your computer that you can actually get access to a calculator. I know it's a really simple thing, it's a really simple video, but hopefully it'll be helpful to someone. So let's jump into it. Alright, now let's look at the first example. If you're doing anything in the cloud, obviously you're going to have a browser open. Google Chrome is probably one of the most popular ones. And if you need to do really simple calculations quickly, you don't have the calculator app open, it doesn't matter, you can do them in the address bar. So you can just type in the calculations that you want in the address bar up here, and you can see that you'll actually get the calculations done for you right below in the address bar. You can do longer calculations and it will actually figure everything out. So you can do that, and you'll still get a result here as well. So that's number one. So inside Google Chrome, you can get a calculator in the address bar. This one's a little bit more complex because you do need to install Powertoys, which is just a Windows application that extends the functionality of Windows. So in the background of my screen at the moment, you'll be able to see some of the modules that you can turn on for this. The one that we want to set on after installing is Powertoys Run, and you can see if we press Alt and space, we'll then get a little quick launcher. So if I do that now, very similar to what you can see on OSX if you use Spotlight. So once we're in here, again, we can type in whatever we want in terms of calculations, and we will be able to get a result here and copy it to a clipboard and do whatever we like. So again, a really quick and simple, easy way to access a calculator, just Alt and space, and it'll also search your computer as well. So if you haven't got Powertoys installed, I really recommend that you do if you're using Windows, because it just really extends a lot of the things that you actually can do within the system. Okay, moving along. This one I'm sure that nearly everyone's already aware of, but just in case you're not, in Xero, anywhere where you can type in a numeric field, you can actually do a calculation. So this is obviously probably preferable to using the Chrome bar if you need to actually enter the data into something like an invoice or a journal or anything that you need to actually do input into. So for example, if I do some calculations here, I can just type in the calculation that I want, press tab, and Xero will do it for us. So again, just a really simple one, can be quite effective when you're doing work. Last example for today, if you're using a Mac, earlier in the video you would have heard me mention Spotlight. So Spotlight is actually a search tool that's built into OSX. You don't need to install anything special for it to be available. All you need to do is press on Command and space, and then as you can see, you've got the ability to do calculations from here. So just type in what you want to calculate, and you'll actually get the result straight in that little search box there. Spotlight can be used for searching your computer as well. So if you do need access to just being able to search quickly, it's a really useful tool to be able to look at. Hopefully this video has been really helpful, or just a little bit of fun. If it has been, make sure you like the video and subscribe. Cheers.